Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for staying with me. In today's video, I will be showing you the different types of sandals we have readily available at the market that you can use to create amazing bakhoors, khumras, khulekchas, and lots more. Let's get into the video. Hi guys, I just want to thank you all for shopping from me and for trusting me. Like the past month we had the highest amount of international orders. Like I never thought it would happen. Like countries that I never thought I would ship my product to, I shipped them last month, and alhamdulillah, I thank Allah for that, and I thank you guys for that too. For those of you that share my videos, for those of you that have subscribed, for those of you that comment, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And for those of you that like my videos, thank you so much. You all know my channel has not been monetized yet, but then we'll soon get there. You guys are the OGs. Like, thank you so much, my subscribers. I am really grateful because you guys do not only subscribe to my channel, you guys patronize my business. 4.7k subscribers. Thank you so much, my subscribers, and those of you that watch my videos, thank you. But please don't skip the ads. Don't skip the ads at the beginning of the video. So as you can see here, all these products are not mine, they are for my customers. Like this week too, this new month, this September, you guys want to choke me with orders. I like that. Keep on bringing in your orders, like keep on trooping into my DMs with your orders. I deliver the best. I am very trustworthy, like the way Teslim Tunisian in Norway said. She bought items from me like all the way from Norway, and she met me on YouTube. She just saw my channel and then she just said, oh, I trust this girl, let me try and buy a product. She won't scam me. And I delivered, guys. Like her product got to Norway successfully, and then she even posted a video on her channel. I will drop a link to her own channel for you guys to check out the video and check out her bakhoor making content. She makes bakhoor too, and I'm so happy I have a new friend from YouTube who is into bakhoor making, and I'm happy for that. So for those of you that want to join our intensive bakhoor making class, you can send me a DM and I will send you the details of the class. In the class, you are learning more than 22 recipes, different recipes on how to make your Turare, Khumra, Khulekcha, Khalta, hair oil, like a lot, kabasa spray, carpet spray, henna batting mist, Maria. All this here are for some people. One is going to Ghana, one is going to US, and the other one is going to where? US, New Jersey. So we have these are oil perfumes. Like I have oil perfumes, different types of oil perfumes for people who just want to try like amazing, nice scented oil perfumes. This is my oil perfume mix, and this one is the pure black oud surati. It is very, very strong. Ladies, women, I do not recommend this for you. It's for guys. Then this is Adventus Creed, and then I have some oud surati. Then I have Sandal Zaffran. This is Sandal Zaffran. This is the Sandal Zaffran here. This is Sandal Saffron. Then for those of you that cannot like buy this one in large quantity, you can grab this one. This is just 2,500 naira only. Like it's very affordable. This whole bottle, you get it for 28k, and I'm giving you this for 225. Just so you know and try what an amazing scent is. So come and grab this. Then we have Al Haram Oud plus Kalimat. So this is the Nigerian package. This one is going to New Jersey, and that one behind is going to Ghana. So I'm trying to just pack everything for them, and then I will just create a shipment for them, then deliver the ones that I'm supposed to deliver. And thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe while watching. I will pack these orders and send them out to their owners. If you want to buy my products, I have my products available in Kaduna. If you are living close to Kaduna, you can shop from my Kaduna distributor. And if you want this product and you're close to Maiduguri, I can send this product to you wherever you are. We have delivery days. Just send me a DM to the number on the screen and we will discuss business. I am open for collaboration. If your products complements my own products, then we can collaborate. I have a question for you all. So I have been thinking, I created new labels for my products and I want to stick to one label, but I actually designed my labels, what we call stickers here. And so this is the old one we did, and to be honest, I do not like this one because this one is not laminated, and then if the oils touch this, the writing can clean. Then this is the new label he made for me, and this one, I like this one. A lot of people said it's giving, so I would like to know your opinion, guys. My subscribers, please let me know, what do you think? Which one is better? Which one do you prefer? Please let me know in the comment section which label is best. This is label A and this is label B. Which one do you like, A or B? Let me know in the comment section. Guys, I did not mention Blackwood is now available. You know, this is always sold out. It's now available and we have it in 2 different sizes. Alhamdulillah, I have it in 100 ml size and I have it in 200 ml size. This size is 6,500 naira only, and the bigger size is 12,000 naira only. This is an amazing trial. This is the Khalij vibes in Raramuta. Like, if you want that Khalij, Arabian, majestic, woody, luxurious, and affordable vibe, then this is what you should go for. Like, this is so nice. Anyone that gets this, always come grab this before you hear sold out. Like, a lot of people have already booked this, but then we still have few just available. This is nice. You can use it for your clothes, you can use it for your room. Then the newest products we have is for our sandal lovers. So this is Arusa. This is a perfume for the body. If you're looking for anything cool, woody, sandally, and nice at the same time, and very long lasting, then this is what you should go for. This is so nice. Like, it is very strong, and I'll be gifting this to some. I'll be gifting 2 of these to some people, and I've already gifted one out. Like, she bought a lot of products from me and I sent her one of these to try and give me her honest review. So people that patronize me, if you patronize me, you might get one of these in your package. This is nice. Like, look at this. Like, I cannot explain how amazing this is, but like, it has a lot of amazing ingredients in it, so you should grab one for yourself. And another thing I want to show you guys, this is what I made. This is my new baby. This is my new obsession. So this is everything we use in making Khumra, and I just added it to a jar so that I can be looking at it every day. And I think this is a very beautiful prop. If you are into Bakhoor making, you love Bakhoor making, you love incense making, you love aromatherapy, this is so nice. It has amazing ingredients in here. My mom gave me this cute bottle and I added it here, but it's so beautiful. So you guys can try this. So in my last video, I said I will be showing you another amazing oil perfume that we use when making Turare Khumra. So the oil perfume I wanted to show today is Almas, but then I think the sandal should come before Almas because it should come like the perfume arrangement should be like from top tier perfume to lower perfume, you get. So in this video I'll be showing you the different types of sandal perfume we have available, readily available in the market, and these are perfumes that you can use when make your Turare, your Khumra, and your amazing products. So we have sandals that when you use them, you don't need to use other sandals to bring out that sandal scent. Like, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So we have Sandal Maracas. Sandal Maracas for me is the number one sandal that I have perceived with the nice strong sandal scent. Like, it has the sandal scent and it is very long lasting. Sandal Maracas is a perfume that when you use on your body, when you wash that clothes, it will still be there. Even when you tear your skin, Sandal Maracas scent will still be there. I'll drop a picture of Sandal Maracas on the screen. I don't have it here, but then so I have been buying it in little quantity and I use it for Khumra making. It is top notch, it is top tier. Then the second sandal I will recommend for you if you want to make your Turare, your Khumra, is Sandal Zaffran. I have used a lot of jars I've used a lot of canisters, and to me the second thing after Sandal Maracas is the sandal. Like, this is nice. This is like Sandal Maracas, but then let's say like you can never go wrong with this. Like, you can never go wrong with this in your Turare and your Khumra. Then the other sandal, I will drop a picture of that sandal too. It has a yellow pack and I only bought one of that pack. The sandal is very thick, like the red sandal. And when I went back to the market to get that same sandal, the name of the sandal is Sandalia. When I went back to the market to get that sandal, my supplier told me that he doesn't have it. He brought two, I got one and another lady got one, and they brought that sandal from Mecca for him. So he doesn't have it anymore. So if you are going to Mecca, or you just screenshot it when I drop the picture, but like, if you're going to Mecca or you are in Mecca, please send those sandals for us. Let's try them. But that sandal, I made a spray perfume like this with it, and ever since, all the people that purchased that spray perfume have been disturbing me to make that same type of spray perfume because it is top notch. Then the other sandal I will be showing you guys again, which is affordable and nice, is this Sandalia. This Sandalia is very, very affordable and nice. It has amazing scent. Like, it is very, very nice. It is in 100 ml and it is a 3-star sandal. Like, it is 3-star. This sandal Zaffran, it doesn't have like any ratings or anything, but then trust me when I say that it is the original and it comes with the seal. Make sure you buy the one that comes with the seal and like a scan code, like a QR code that you can scan. Then this is 100 ml too. Then the other popular sandal is this one's Sandal Anoud and Alhanof. They have same scent. I don't know why they changed the name, because it's written here the Hun as Sandal and here is the Hun as Sandal A1. So I don't know why they changed the name. And the brand that makes this is MRD for this one, and then this one is from Flavors and Fragrance, and this one is from MRD. They have same scent. Like, they have same scent. I cannot differentiate the scent. They have same scent, and I have used this one, I have used this one, and I have used the purple one. They all have the same scent. So if you want your Turare to smell nice and you are making Turare like sandal cheap, sandal original, I would suggest you use this because it's a very generous amount. This is a very, very good amount. Like, you're getting just this whole 500 mils. Yes, it's 500 mils. 500 mils for just 33,000 naira. My dear, run and grab this. Like, it is affordable for the quality. Yes. Then the popular one now we are seeing in the market is this one. It is nice too. I like this one too. If you are on a budget, this is from Nurul Iman company, and I assure you this is nice. Like, you can use this. It is very nice. I've used this and I like it so much. It makes a difference when you use it for your sandal chips, your sandal original, your house. So In my last video, I said I will be showing you another amazing oil perfume that we use when making Turare Khumra. So the oil perfume I want to show you I wanted to show today is Almas. But then I think the sandal should come before Almas because it should come the perfume arrangement should be like from top tier perfume to lower perfume, you get. So in this video I'll be showing you the different types of sandal perfume we have readily available in the market, and these are perfumes that you can use when make your Turare, your Khumra, and your amazing products. So we have some that have amazing scents, like we have sandals that when you use them you don't need to use other sandals to bring out that sandal scent. Like, I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. So we have Sandal Maracas. Sandal Maracas for me is the number one sandal that I have perceived with the nice strong sandal scent. Like, it has the sandal scent and it is very long lasting. Sandal Maracas is a perfume that when you use on your body, when you wash that clothes, it will still be there. Even when you tear your skin, Sandal Maracas scent will still be there. I'll drop a picture of Sandal Maracas on the screen. I don't have it here, but then so I have been buying it in little quantity and I use it for Khumra. It is top notch, it is top tier. Then the second sandal I will recommend for you if you want to make your Turare, your Khumra, is Sandal Zaffran. I have used a lot of I've used a lot of canisters, and to me the second thing after Sandal Maracas is the sandal. Like, this is nice. This is like Sandal Maracas, but then let's say like the last sandal we have is the foreign sandal. That's the white sandal. This is a local sandal, but trust me, it is nice, and we use this in only Turare water. Like, it is very nice in Turare water. It is not strong. It will not give you the scent you're looking for when you're making your bakhoors, your incense, but then when you add this, it will just like help the other oils you're adding soak well. Like, it will help it soak very well. So these are the different sandals. I have opened them, and these are the different. This is Sandal Zaffran. Like, I have used 3 bottles. I have two. You can hear them, you can hear the sound. Like, I have 2 more because I do not want the price of this keep on increasing, so I always have backup sandals. Then I've used this one is empty. I've used this one, and but then Sandal Zaffran. Then this is the Sandalia. I've opened it. This is the Sandalia, the red one that came in the red pack. That's this red pack here. Then we have the Nurul Iman Sandal faisa. You can see it has sandal on its body. Like, I've used this. I have like half of this left. Then this one. So I love using the sandals when making my Turare water. I love the sandals when making Turare. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned 1 or 2 things. Comment what kind of video you will like to see next on my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and please watch the ads at the beginning of the video to support me. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next one. Bye.